7 is the gap. Paul leads nearly half race distance. It's very close now. Paul gets it sideways onto the cobbles. Not where you want. Rob looks up the inside. Rob's fast around the raceway. Pulls through the moguls. This is the race for the lead. Paul and Rob in front of race control. Paul leads still. The gap's down to half a second now. Paul from Rob, their distance into themselves and third place mark. Oaks struggling for grip, a little bit of sand out there. Oh, and Rob spectacularly beats it on the raceway. He's over and on his route. That fence don't move. Second place is over, so second and third is close, and all the while, Paul says, thank you very much, ta-da, I'm out of here. 2 minutes to go, Paul, 2 minutes to go. Hope you screwed that pinion on properly. So 3, 2, 1, 7. Mark Birchin is up to the 4th spot. Then it's Aaron Pritchard in 5, BD 6, Matt in 7, and Hayden in 8. Less than 1/3 to go, guys. Paul very cautious over the big jump. I like that, that's my style. You don't have to jump it if you've got that nicely, and he has got a lead of 5 seconds now. Approaching the final minute, Paul Lee coming off the raceway, through the moguls, round the berms, onto the concrete. The second and third are still close. Mark and Rob dicing it out for the podium places. Paul strokes it through for another lap. Going to be probably this and one more. Mark gets it squirrely in front of race control. Rob closes in. Less than a minute, 40 seconds to go, drivers. Paul from Mark and Rob, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 8 is your race order. Well weighted, that car on the concrete, that is second and third. This could be Paul's last lap. He has 20 seconds to go, second and third off through. Keep it on its wheels and it should be enough. So 10 seconds to go, drivers. 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 8 is your race order. I'll hand you over to race control. 4, 3, 1, 2, 8. Waiting for 7, 6 and 5. 6, 5, 7. That's it, break over. The finishing order is 3.
Yeah, baby!
2, 6, 5, 7, 4, 8, 2.
At least about 2 seconds.
Well,